Welcome, dear friend, to a journey of renewal and clarity. As you stand here, allow yourself to transition gently from the hustle of daily life to a sacred space of peace and introspection. Feel the earth beneath your feet. Let its steady presence anchor you in the here and now. Take a slow, deep breath in, inviting serenity and calm into your being. As you exhale, consciously release the weight of any burdens, letting them drift away on your breath. You are here, in this moment, ready to embark on a path toward clarity and vitality. Let's begin by grounding ourselves deeply into the earth. Imagine the soles of your feet growing roots that extend deep into the ground, anchoring you firmly to this moment. With each inhalation, draw strength and energy up from these roots, filling every part of your being with vitality. As you exhale, envision any tension, worries, or negativity flowing down through these roots and dissipating into the earth. This process of exchange with the earth is purifying, leaving you centered and deeply connected to the present moment. Transition now to a breathing pattern that will energize and awaken every cell in your body. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and hold that breath at the top for a moment, feeling a sense of fullness and potential. Exhale thoroughly through your mouth, releasing the breath with a gentle sigh, letting go of any remaining tension. This cycle of breath revitalizes the mind, clears the cobwebs of fatigue, and sharpens your focus. Continue with this breath, finding a rhythm that feels natural and life-affirming. With our bodies and minds beginning to harmonize, introduce gentle, flowing movements synchronized with your breath. Inhale, and as you do, extend your arms skyward, stretching towards the heavens, opening your heart and soul to the universe's vastness. Exhale slowly, bringing your arms back down, grounding yourself with the earth's energy. This graceful dance between the sky and the earth, powered by your breath, nurtures a deep sense of harmony and fluidity within. As you continue to move and breathe with intention, expand your awareness to the space around you. Notice the texture of the air against your skin, the delicate sounds that fill the room, and the subtle play of light and shadow. This heightened awareness connects you more deeply with the world, fostering a sense of unity and belonging. Your movements become a meditation in motion, a profound expression of your connection to the present moment. Gradually allow your movements to slow, inviting a deeper sense of peace and relaxation to wash over you. With each exhalation, sink deeper into a state of calm repose, feeling your body become lighter, your mind clearer. This gentle unwinding brings you into a sanctuary of stillness where clarity and tranquility thrive. In this tranquil state, pause to reflect on the journey you've undertaken. Recognize the beauty of the moment, the strength of your body, the resilience of your spirit. Feel gratitude for this practice, for the breath that sustains you, and for the clarity that now shines within you. This moment of gratitude is a powerful affirmation of life, a deep acknowledgement of your own presence and worth. As we prepare to conclude our meditation, gently bring your awareness back to the room, carrying with you the clarity and peace you've cultivated. Allow these feelings to infuse your being, guiding you with a sense of purpose and calm as you slowly open your eyes. The world welcomes you back, refreshed and renewed. Thank you for allowing me to guide you through this yoga flow for clarity meditation. May the clarity and peace you found here stay with you, illuminating your path wherever you go. Namaste.